Once you are funded and you are recorded, that is when you are going to get your keys. And again, every purchase contract is a little bit different. And today's show is focused on purchases. I'm not talking about refinances at the moment. So purchases are, when do I get my keys? Well, you have a contract that you sign that you negotiated with the seller of the home. So it depends on what you negotiated in that contract. Sometimes it's same day and your contract specifies it. Sometimes it is close plus 1. Sometimes it is close plus 3. I know, which means close date plus 3 more days, then you get your keys, because it gives the seller time once you've closed the loan to then get out, right? Sometimes nobody's in there, it's vacant, and you're going to get them same day. Sometimes there is a seller in there, but you guys negotiated to get them same day or next day, right? It truly just depends on what was negotiated in your contract as far as when do you get the keys to the home to go ahead and get that move started. But one more time, I can't say this enough. Understand your time frames. Know what you negotiated. Understand what you negotiated. Understand when you're going to record from, when you're going to fund. Understand if you've had, or know if you've had your closing disclosure sent to you and if you've signed it, and make sure that you're counting 3 business days from the time that you sign that disclosure so that you can determine what those closing dates are going to be and when those move-in dates might be able to happen. So very, very important. This is where you can start to get really frustrated in a transaction. You're excited. You've got your painters ready to go. They want to get in there and they want to get started. You think you're going to have a key and you find out you got to wait 3 more days. That's going to be very frustrating to you. Or you hear from your lender, we're going to fund your loan tomorrow. And you're thinking, great. And you call that painting company and you say, guess what? You could start a day early. And come to find out they can't start a day early. You don't record until the next day. So just make sure that you understand that. That's going to keep you out of the frustration zone and still in the very exciting, I just bought a house zone.